Hello everybody, poor guy here. This is what we got going on a Friday after Thanksgiving. I guess this is the star of the show. So I got this this bottle of Japanese barbecue sauce from my friend at work. I believe he got it at Costco. So we tried it yesterday. It's very tasty. Little sweet soy sauce, some other ingredients, and we're not really sure what to use it on. So I'm going to use it on this. This glob is leftover smoked pulled pork that I did Wednesday. And I'm going to make a quesadilla out of it with some Fiesta blend, some tortillas. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. Tom and Marie Garvey, thank you again. And I got this idea from Ron, our friend Ron at Four Seasons Barbecue, because I'd asked him a while back. So we're up to about 370 degrees. Just got these two burners on. Try to concentrate the heat over here. I said, hey Ron, what's a good way to leftover pulled pork? So he told me, you put it on the Blackstone real hot and just warm it up that way. He used in his video, he used an aluminum cast pan, which gets super hot. So it's chilly today. So we're just going to go with the two burners. And yes, Ron at Four Seasons Barbecue, great channel, great guy. If anybody hasn't found him yet, go look for him. So I basically marinated the pulled pork overnight in the Japanese barbecue sauce. So we're going to see how this tastes. Let me get some olive oil down. I think that's good. Squish it around. Check the top one more time. Yeah, about 370. I don't know if it's 360 to 370. Let's not delay. Let's open up this pork. Yeah, it's chilly out. Dawn volunteered to record it for me. So thank you, Dawn.
You're welcome.
It looks good.
Ooh, that smells good.
I'm gonna go throw this in the garbage real quick. I'm back. Oh, that does smell good. So it's got some juice to it. Oh, sorry, I don't even have my apron on. We're gonna break up these chunks. Now this, did a little pork butt, 14-pound pork butt the other day. This was so good. And you don't see me doing a lot of smoking videos because, you know, there's how many pork butt smoking videos are there out there? Quite a few. It's not like I'm gonna teach anybody anything, but so I was like, man, I don't want to use this leftover. And so that's what we're doing. I know Ron did a video a couple months ago where he did it. He made a quesadilla out of it, so we're going to follow his lead. Let's get this warmed up. And then we'll make our quesadillas. And then we'll give it a little taste to see what we think. And I might do another video this weekend featuring that again because I'm all excited about this Japanese barbecue sauce. Tommy C, if you watch, thank you very much for that. He didn't even charge me for it. He's a good guy. Yeah, it was nice, huh? Very nice fellow. He works at Frito-Lay with me. He's pretty smart. He's got a Blackstone too. And I haven't done a Blackstone video in a long time, and I'm just talking just to waste time. So, come on back in a minute. What do you say? Peace. Tortilla. Pardon me.
Oh, sorry, honey.
Sorry. Let's see if we can get two. Move this over. Let's put some cheese down. Just great value. Fiesta blend. Now we like a lot of cheese. When we do quesadillas, we like a lot of cheese. Now normally when I make quesadillas, we make quesadillas for myself. I put Frank's Red Hot on mine. I'm not going to do that today. I want to see what this tastes like. At least the first bites. And then I'll see what I want to do from there. But I'm interested, number one, how the pulled pork is going to be warmed up, because I've never done it. In the microwave a couple times. Not out here. This smells really good, and it's warm. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna do two. And we're gonna load them up. 'Cause we're gonna eat this. Simple, right? Quesadillas, no big deal. It's not really about the quesadilla, it's about what it tastes like and how well I was able to warm this up on the Blackstone. It didn't get nearly as hot as I wanted to because of how cold it is outside today, but it got up to close to 400, and that's okay with me. Spread those around a little bit. They're a little crispy parts, and you were right, Ron. They did get a little crispy. We got some dog action going on out here. Look at these guys. They're crazy. Let's give it a flip. Oh. You got dogs, you got dog here. Imagine that.
Yeah.
Ooh, that one looks nice, huh?
That's nice.
Get that in there. Cheese is melting nicely. Let's put this over here. I didn't really clean off the griddle from cooking the pork. I just put a tiny bit of more olive oil on there, and we're gonna heat them up. And then when we get done with these, we'll go inside and slice them up, and we'll see if Aiden wants to give it a try. Tori, I think, is still asleep. Yeah. Are you cold or something, honey? All right, let's finish this off. I'll bring them in the house and show you what they look like, and we'll take a test. Peace. Whoop. There they are. We got Aiden here, and Don, and we're gonna taste these. They look really good. Aiden, have that one.
I take.
Honey. Oh.
I take.
No. I want an interior piece. We made two. We're gonna give them a taste. I don't want to be on camera. Let's just taste them. I'm liking it. I like it a lot. Anyone?
I don't know how I feel yet. It's good. What do you think?
I think it'd be better with chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
It's tasty.
Don and I are really used to chicken quesadillas, so this is completely different for. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm really liking it. I like that sauce a lot.
It is good.
But I agree. I think it would be better with chicken. It's got sweetness, salty. I like them a lot. And you can still taste the smoke from when I smoked the pork butt. But yeah, Dawn, she's on the fence. Not a huge fan. Aiden,
I like it.
Aiden likes it. I think it's really good. I like it actually a lot. So next time we have pulled pork and we have leftovers, I'm going to make these for myself. That's what we got. Japanese barbecue sauce, leftover pulled pork. Thanks for the tip, Ron. 4 Seasons Barbecue. Appreciate you. Poor guy. Don and Aiden. Tori's asleep. She probably wouldn't like it anyway. Peace.